It's mowing day again, Christy.
Yep, it is. It's kind of weird because it's a little chilly to be mowing, but...
We have all those pretty yellow flowers that need to be mowed.
Yep, they're coming out.
We'll try to take some other action on them soon, but mowing's going to have to work for today. Now, is that seat, is it bouncy enough for you, or do you need to let some air out of it? Or not air, but some spring out of it?
Well, I can't touch my feet are dangling. Does that matter?
I don't know.
That should be fine. Seat's comfortable.
Okay, good.
This is my first time mowing with the Ventrac. Last week I mowed with the 2038R and its 72-inch deck. I wanted to compare the two, see which one I liked better. You can't see it very well, but there's a little hump out here that has a stump in it. At some point in the past, the previous owner cut down a tree and left the stump about 2 inches above the ground. That's a project for another day, but I didn't want to run over it with the finish mower, so I just tried to go around it. I really didn't want to throw grass clippings into the gravel driveway, so I made sure that the side discharge was away from the driveway. This is one feature that I really like. Notice I'm driving straight towards the tree. I can go right up against it between the two front wheels on the deck and pretty much get very close to that tree, and maybe I won't have to use a weed eater. I do want to say that mowing for us is not a passion. It's just a job we have to get done. So don't be upset if we're not striping this just perfectly or going in a specific pattern that's going to look the best. I just want to get the grass mowed. We have lots of other projects that we would rather be doing, but I don't think the neighbors would like it if we just let our whole yard grow up. So, yep, we just gotta get it done and move on with something else.
So Vinny has a 6-foot, 72-inch mower. Same size as the 2038R. The thing is, Vinny only has 24.5 horsepower. So in real tall grass, we notice that, it's not quite strong enough. They have gasoline versions up to 32 horsepower. I think maybe that might work a little bit better on some of this heavy grass.
I found Vinny a little bit easier to maneuver around the edge of this landscaping here than the 2038R, probably because the deck is out front and I could see exactly where I was going quite easily, and the articulated part of the tractor made turning on short turns easier. I don't know, I just really like this for mowing up close around the edge of this flower bed. After that initial first pass around the landscaping, I was able to go a whole lot faster on the next time through. That made me happy. I know, I shouldn't have come back right in the middle of the backyard. I should have gone around the edges first, but I knew where the camera was pointing and I wanted to be in its field of view, so, and I was just having fun. I wanted to see what it would do on a straightaway. I decided to try to put some stripes in the backyard. I've never done this before, and I know that the Ventrac is really good for striping. They use it in baseball fields and such. I'm not sure I'm going to do a great job of it, but I decided just to play at it.
I don't think I'll be good at striping a field yet. So the way they stripe is to go alternate directions, right?
Right.
I'm just playing.
Yeah, whatever works for you. We're really not worried about the striping yet, but
No.
we may become more so as we become more experienced. It Sometimes you have to walk before you run.
Yeah. So far, I like it. You think it's mowing well?
I think it's doing a great job.
Okay. Guess I better keep going.
It's getting colder and colder. This isn't right.
Yeah, this is weird.
Okay, here's something different. Have you ever seen a push lawnmower without wheels? This is a hover mower. It has a fan underneath that blows downward and lifts the mower deck off the ground. It's made by a company named Bluebird, the same company that makes the sod cutter that you might have seen in a couple of our episodes a few years ago. This one has a 16-inch cutting width, and it's powered by a 2-horsepower Honda engine. The amazing part to me is it weighs only 26 pounds. We intend to do a more thorough review of this product after we've had some more time to use it. Meanwhile, you might check out the line of products at bluebirdturf.com/TTWT. You'll have to call them because they don't have their online store set up quite yet, but they will give you a 5% discount if you mention Tractor Time with Tim.
I'm enjoying working together with Tim to get the yard mowed. At our other house, which was less than half an acre, I did all the mowing and weed eating by myself. But I really like being outside just doing stuff together. So this is really nice. Yeah, I can see from this angle that I'm not as close as I could be. I'll learn this deck over time and how close I can really get.
Well, I like the stripes.
Yeah, you did a good job with the stripes.
I think I may have gone the same direction a couple of times, but I'll get used to that.
Yeah.
It's, oh, am I yelling?
You kind of need to yell anyway for this mic.
Got my ISO tunes in and I couldn't hear a thing. I like it. I like that it doesn't seem to scalp, and that the deck seems to flex a little bit, especially front to back. It'll flex better than the mower on the 2038R. The only thing I see is I think the 2038R may mow faster, but that's not fair. This is what, a 25 horse, and the 2038R is a 38 horse.
Yeah.
So it's not really apples to apples.
No.
And this has the same size deck. It has a 72-inch deck, and the other one has a 72-inch deck with a whole lot more horsepower.
You've got it right.
So, because I was noticing, I think I was going about 5 miles an hour.
Sometimes in heavy grass, I could hear it begin to...
Yeah, it would pull it down, or
yeah.
I don't know how you say that, but yeah. I got more to mow.
Okay.
It's pretty wet. It wasn't too bad back here, but the front yard may be a lot worse.
It probably will be.
Should I even try?
Well, I think you'll have to. I just don't know if Johnny 2 can help you or not.
Okay.
Tim decided to get out Johnny 2. We mowed the front yard here together. This area was plenty dry, but up close to our ditch by the road, yeah, that was really wet. Probably shouldn't have been mowing it, but I did. I didn't get any video up close. Sorry about that. We'll try to next time. We just have a water issue in our yard and have to figure out where to divert it. Even with both of us mowing with 72-inch decks, it took a long time, probably an hour, just to do the front yard. On Johnny before, we had a 54-inch deck. I can't really imagine trying to mow the 5.5 or 6 acres that we have now with a 54-inch deck. The 2038R could definitely mow faster, but it has more horsepower. The neighbors have told us that the previous owner dug the pond and put the dirt out here to create this berm or hill. He was trying to get it so people couldn't see his house. We don't really care for it, but for now, we have to mow it.
Yes, we know it's not the most efficient way to mow, one of us right behind the other. But we thought it would look interesting on video, and it was kind of fun to coordinate it. I was able to mow fine here with Johnny 2, but up there where Christy was talking about the water and mud, Johnny 2 just had to avoid.
I didn't feel uncomfortable at all on the side of this berm. I had to crab steer the tractor a little bit to keep it in a straight line, but that was no problem. But I didn't feel tipsy whatsoever. I like the fact that the ROPS on the Ventrac aren't as tall as they are on either Johnny or the 2038R. I was able to get under the tree limbs in our yards a lot easier with the Ventrac. I like having the mower deck out front too. I was able to mow underneath a big sprawling pine tree that Tim had been around with the 2038R but couldn't get underneath it. Overall, we were both really impressed with the cut quality from the Ventrac, and I just like driving it. I don't know, it's more comfortable for me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim and Christy.
Hey, just a reminder, if you're interested in the relationship we have with the AHW, check out our website, tractortimewithtim.com. We have the details listed there. I think Christy and Vinny make a good pair.